school's about to begin. Good morning. Morning. How are you? Everyone behaving? Yes, no. The rain is blessing us, and so I feel blessed today. I think it is also, the day has arrived, so for me it's really exciting. It's been a long journey. I've crisscrossed this province. We've done more pamphleting than ever before. We've done more postering than ever before. We've really gone out and done those things, and I'm sure if you ask people up the queue here, they've received more SMSs than before. But of course, it's about making sure that we keep the Western Cape. We've got to keep it blue. We've got to make sure that we build on the track record that we've built. We know that this is the best run province in South Africa. And of course, my task is taking that baton from Helen Zille to take it to the next level. We've built those foundations, we've started building those walls. I've now got to take those walls even higher.
Just give me the
It's all done. Okay. Okay, and over here, okay, over here, over here.
This is the provincial one. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very much. In die FSA gestem in Washington by die ambassade. Ons kon toe net vir die nasionaal stem en nie vir die provinsiale. Dit is goed om weer vir die ANC Weskaap te kan stem. Nie net van 'n logistieke oogpunt van waar jy is nie, maar ook van 'n oogpunt van dis 'n beter ANC om voor te stem.